subset. Okay, definition says let A and B are two sets. Okay, if every element of A is an element of B, then A is called subset of B, and is denoted by, okay, A is the subset of B. Okay, see, that means suppose take set B is equal to A, B, C, D, and I'm taking set A is equal to A, B. What are the elements of set A? One element is small letter A, another element is B. Okay, observe A is in set B, B also in set B. That means you can say that every element of A is an element of the given set B, right? In this case, you can say that A is a subset of B. Or suppose see, set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and set B is equal to, I am taking it as 2 and 4. Now see elements of B. 2 is in set A, 4 also in set A, right? So you can say that every element of B is an element of A. In this case, you can say that B is a subset of A. Okay. If every element of set A is in set B, then we call it as A is a subset of B. Or if every element of B is in A, then we call B is a subset of A. Take the third example. Set A is equal to 1, 2, and set B is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, question is A is a subset of B? Check 1, that is not in the set B. 2, again that is not in the set B. In this case, you can say that A is not a subset of B. Okay, suppose I am taking C is equal to set 3, singleton set 3. In this case, you can say that C is the subset of set B. Why? C has one element that is 3, that 3 belongs to the set B. So C is a subset of B. Okay. Now take set A is equal to AB. Okay. See here I am taking one set B is equal to singleton set A. Another one set C is equal to singleton B. See here B is a subset of A, right? Why? Because here see one element A is there that belongs to the set A. Set C, one element B is there that also belongs to set A. So here B is a subset of A as well as C also a subset of A. Now take some note that is related to subset. First note is every set A is a subset of itself. Okay. Second note is empty set is a subset of every set. Okay, these are two important notes. Okay, first note is every set is a subset of itself. Okay, for example, see set A is equal to AB. Okay, you can say that A is a subset of A. Why? Because see here A is in A, B also in A, right? Every element of A belongs to every element of A. Or you can say that every element of A is in A. By this logic, you can say that given set is a subset of itself. Second one, empty set is a subset of every set. Okay, since empty set has no element, we are assuming that empty set is a subset of itself. Okay, and third note is if n of A is equal to m, that means number of elements in a given set is equal to m, then total number of subsets equal to 2 to the power m. Okay, it's a very important note. Number of elements of the given set is equal to m, then total number of subset is equal to 2 to the power m. For example, see, n of a is equal to 2, then number of subsets is equal to 2 to the power m. What is the value of m? Here you can see, right, m value is equal to 2. 2 to the power 2, it's equal to, you can write 4 subsets. Okay, so remember, first to notice every set A is a subset of itself. Second notice, empty set is a subset of every set. One set, see, every set has one common subset, that is the empty set. Okay, then third notice, if n of a is equal to m, then total number of subsets is equal to 2 to the power m. See the question, write all the subset of the following. First set given as a is equal to 1, 2. You need to list all the possible subsets. Okay, we know first subset is empty set, right? Because empty set is a subset of every set. Second subset is given set. Okay, A itself. Every set is a subset of itself. Next, see, singleton 1, right? Because see, 1, this element belongs to the given set A. So singleton 1. Next subset is singleton 2. Okay. Now see, is there any other possibilities? No, right? Singleton 1 is a subset of A. Singleton 2 also a subset of A. And empty set and given set. These are two by the notes. Empty set is a subset of every set. Given set is a subset of itself. Then singleton 1 and singleton 2. Okay, take the second example. See, b is equal to a, b, c is given. Write the possible subsets. First subset, see, empty set. Second subset is the given set. Third subset, singleton a. Then you can write singleton b and singleton c. Okay, then see, you can take set ab. Yes or no? See, this is a one set. Every element of this set is an element of the given set, right? See, A belongs to B, B also belongs to B. Then you can take set AC. Okay, see here, A is in set B, C also in the set B. Okay, so AC is the subset. Okay, then you can take BC. Okay, check B that belongs to the set B, as well as C that also belongs to the set B. Now see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, suppose you are taking CA. Okay, it's equal to AC, right? Because while writing the set in roster form, order is immaterial. In a set, element A comma C is equal to set C comma A. Okay, so repetition is not allowed in the roster form. Here AC is equal to CA, as well as BC is equal to CB, and AB is equal to BA. Okay, that's why total number of subset is equal to 8. Why? Because see, in the example, n of A is equal to 2, right? Number of elements in set A is equal to 2. Then number of subsets is equal to 2 to the power how much? 2. 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here see, n of B is equal to how much? N of B is equal to 1, 2, 3 is there. Okay. N of B is equal to 3. Then check number of subsets. Number of subsets is equal to 2 to the power 3. We know 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. 2 into 2 into 2, it's equal to 8, right? So number of subsets is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, take the third example. Set A is equal to singleton 1. What are the subsets? Subsets are, one is the empty set, another one is the given set. Okay, again we can't write singleton 1, right? That is the given set A only, right? Here see, n of A is equal to 1. What's the number of subsets? Number of subsets is equal to 2 to the power 1. It's equal to 2 only. Here you can see, right? empty set and the given set, because singleton 1 itself the given set, therefore only two subsets. And take the next example, see, set A is equal to empty set. What is the subset? Subset is equal to, it exists one subset, right? Because see, number of subsets is equal to the power m. It's equal to the power. What's the number of element in the empty set? No element, right? So you can write it as 0. 0 means no element. What's the value? 2 to the power 0. Any number to the power 0, value is equal to 1. Okay, what's the subset? It is the empty set itself. Here empty set and given subset, empty set and given set are same, right? So there exists only one subset, that is the empty set. By the formula also, see, you are getting one subset. Okay, this is how to write the subsets for a given set. Next concept is power set. Okay, see, first I'll write the definition of power set. Power set is the, it is the collection of all subsets of the given set. Okay, see, power set is nothing but collection of all subsets of the given set, or you can say that it is the set of all, set. Okay, set of all subset of the given set. Okay, and it is denoted by P of A. Okay, it's a notation for power set. Okay, just remember, power set is nothing but set of all subset of the given set. For example, see, set A is equal to, take it as 1, 2, 3. Subsets of A is equal to, write the possible subsets of A. Subsets of A is equal to, we know, right, how to write the subset. First subset is empty set. Second subset is given set A. What's the third subset? Singleton 1, then singleton 2, then singleton 3. After that, what you have to write? Set to 1, 2, or you can write it as set to 2, 1. Set to 1, 2 is equal to set to 2, 1, then set to 1, 3, or you can write it as set to 3, 1, and next one is set to 2, 3. Okay. Okay, these are the possibility for subset C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now see, P of A is equal to, power set of A is equal to set of all. First use the flower bracket. Set of all what? Set of all subsets. What are the subsets? Empty set A, then singleton 1, then singleton 2, then singleton 3, then singleton 1, 2, then singleton 1, then set 1, 3, then set 2, 3, then close the flower bracket. Now see, this is called power set of the given set. Clear? Power set is nothing but you need to collect the set. You need to collect the subsets inside a flower bracket. Okay, power set of A denoted by P of A. It is the set of all subsets. Okay, we called it as power set. Now see, second example, take A is equal to, set A is equal to A comma B, two elements A comma B. Okay, then write P of A. P of A is equal to, what you have to do? First set notation, set of all subsets. What are the subsets? First subset is empty set. Then second subset, what's the second subset? Given set A. Then what's the third subset? Okay, it's equal to AB. Then third subset is singleton A. Then next subset is equal to, we know it's equal to singleton B. Okay, these are the possible subsets, right? See, 2 to the power 2, 4 subsets are there. Now see, P of A is equal to, what are the elements of the power set? All these are subset of the given set A. Okay, so collection of all subsets or set of all subsets of the given set A, we called it as power set of A. See, in the first example, n of A is equal to 3. What's the number of subset? Number of subsets is equal to, how many subsets are there? 8 subsets are there. Okay. How you calculate it? It's equal to 2 to the power 3, right? So how many elements are there in P of A? N of P of A also is equal to 2 to the power 3, right? It's equal to 8, because power set of A, elements of A, elements of P of A is nothing but subsets. If any set has m elements, then how many subsets? 2 to the power m. If you collect all the 2 to the power m elements inside a flower bracket, then we call it as power set, right? So since elements of the power set is nothing but subsets, in the above case, if A has 3 elements, then number of elements in P of A is equal to 2 to the power 3, because number of elements of power set of A is equal to number of subsets of A. So here I'll write, see, number of elements of P of A is equal to number of subsets of the given set A. Or you can write in notation as, if n of A is equal to m, then number of subsets, it's equal to, we know, right, it's equal to 2 to the power m. Okay, if number of subsets is equal to 2 to the power m, then number of elements in power set of A, okay, here you can write it as P of A is equal to, how many elements are there? Number of elements in power set of A is nothing but number of subsets. How many subsets? Here you can see it's equal to 2 to the power m. Okay, it's a very important formula. If n of A is equal to m, then the number of subset is 2 to the power m, and also number of elements in power set of A is equal to 2 to the power m. Why? Because elements of power set of A is nothing but collection of subsets. Okay.